You died. How? That was pitiful. Pitiful impact. I lost 40 health. Your bag is right here. For me, at least. Why are you dropping your tools, hey? Those are precious materials. Good. If you put them in the system, then they actually get recycled because I like put an order in to disassemble all of those. Oh. Oh. So this is what Among Us is like, hey? Where's AS 420 again? Oh, that's the ship, right. My loot. My gear. Oh, no. It was actually on top of there, now it's not. Oh, I can get to it. No, 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 no. Hey!
Meteor storm inbound.
This is a tragedy. That's what it is. Betrayal. The worst kind.